2009 Lexus RX 350, 47,000 miles. Yes, 47,000 miles. Pearl white in like new condition. No accidents, all original. Navigation, backup camera, power rear hatch, heated seats, moonroof. The vehicle is wonderful. Everything works on the vehicle. Alloy wheels, tires are decent. Leather interior and carpeting is flawless. Power seats, power telescoping steering wheel. Has a minor crack in the dash there. Seems like all Toyotas and Lexuses do. Heated seats. Backup camera and navigation. Original floor mats. Original keys. Owner's manual. Like I said, just in amazing condition. 47,000. Carfax report is included. No accidents, all original. (2009) Lexus RX 350, 47,000 original miles in outstanding condition.